Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So finally there is a vacancy for diploma or diploma plus BE BTech candidates from NBCC, that is Navratna company. So very big opportunity for you guys. Total 80 vacancies are there and salary will be 6.5 lakh per annum. Okay. The post name is junior engineer, and those who are from electrical and civil engineering of diploma, they can apply. Okay. Now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start our video with important points. So first point is 60% aggregate should be compulsory, and this should be in diploma only. Okay. If you are not having this in your BE Tech, definitely you can apply, but in compulsory in diploma you should have 60% aggregate. Process will be directly CBT, that is they will conduct only your test, and based on test they will release your merit list. Okay, and then you will get your selection. Posting will be anywhere in NBCC office all over India, anywhere you will get posting. About exam center, I will show you the exam center list now. So this is the list of your exam centers. So you can see, okay, in each state, one city, there is a center. So obviously if there is no center in your state, then you have to travel to nearby state. Approximately out of this, you can choose any two centers. Okay. Age limit is 14 for 2022 and 28 for general EWS, OBC 31, SST 33, PW 38 general, OBC 41 and SST 43. Important dates are form just started now. So in the comment section, I will give you the link, or in the description, I will give you the link of a form. So just fill the form after this video. And if you have any query while form filling, definitely comment down below this video. Okay, definitely I will give you a resolution, quick resolution. It will end on 14th of 4th 2022, that is 14th April. So no need to wait till then. Just fill the form today. Fees will be 500 rupees for General OBC EWS, SST, PWD, ex-serviceman. There is no fee. Now we will see categories and branch wise breakdown. So first branch is for civil, junior engineer civil. Total vacancies is 60, UR 29, SC9, SC6, OBC 8, EWS 8 and PWD. Total 3 vacancies. Those who complete diploma in civil, then you can apply. Next vacancies for electrical. For electrical, total 20 vacancies. Open 9, SC3, OBC 6, EWS 2 and PWD 1. So there is no vacancy for ST candidates, so you need to apply in open category. Okay. Those who complete diploma plus BE Tech in electrical engineering, they can apply. So detailed information regarding exam pattern, everything I will share you in the strategy video. So no need to worry. Just be with channel. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding any form, regarding form filling, regarding notification, regarding this vacancy, definitely comment down below. I will help you. And if you want to ask me anything personally in Instagram about all the recruitment that I covered on our channel, then definitely you can DM me on Instagram. All the best.